Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you what is Find My and how to use it. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. Find My is an app and services from Apple that helps you locate your Apple devices, track personal items like keys with AirTag, and share your location with family and friends. It's super helpful if you lose your iPhone, iPad, Mac, AirPods, or even want to keep tabs on where your loved ones are with permission. Then what is Find My? Find My lets you locate lost Apple devices like iPhone, iPad, Mac, AirPods, and Apple Watch. You can secure your device remotely if it's lost or stolen. Then you can track AirTag or other items like keys or bags and share your location with friends or family and see theirs. In order to use it, first what you need to do is head over and open up your App Store. Then on the search bar, simply type in Find My. Now, once the search result loads, look for an app icon like this on your search list, then simply tap on the app. Now, once you're inside here, what you need to do is tap on the Get button and then follow the on-screen prompts to successfully download the app. Now, once you have downloaded the app, what you need to do is tap on Open. Now, once you're inside here, what you need to do is make sure it's turned on. To do it, first head over and open up your settings. And once you're inside here, what you need to do is on the search bar, type in Find My. And once you are here, what you need to do is enable Find My network to locate your device even if it's offline. Then send last location sends your device location to Apple when the battery is low. Then next is to head over and open up the app. Now once you're inside here, what you need to do is you can see and share locations with family and friends. Then you can locate your Apple devices as well. Then track things with AirTag or third-party trackers. Now, if you have lost your device, in order to find it, what you need to do is just simply tap on the devices in the app, then select the lost device. Then you'll see its last known location on a map. Then you'll have available options like playing sound, directions, mark as lost, and erase this device. You can also track items with AirTag by simply attaching an AirTag to something like keys or bag, then set it up via Find My app, and then tap items to see or locate your stuff on the map. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.